Say hello to this flatbread that is breaking all the rules. No flour, no yeast, no gluten, just real ingredients doing wonders for your body. Let's make it together. Sorry for that notification, I forgot to turn it off. For this bread, we will need three major ingredients. Coconut, which I have blended now, I'm turning into the bowl. We need flaxseed and chia seeds. Coconut, rich, creamy and nourishing. Here we have the chia seed, tiny but mighty, loaded with fiber, protein and minerals. And this is flaxseed, the omega-3 queen. She keeps inflammation low, hormones balanced, skin glowing and digestion moving like a dream. Now we have all our major ingredients. We add cinnamon, the sweet spice that supports your metabolism and keep your blood sugar grounded. Lastly, we add salt to taste and we start mixing them all together. Now we begin to mix to have all the ingredients well combined. You can add water. I use hot water here, and make sure not to overdo it so that it's not running. We still want it to be like mashed potato. If you are liking this so far, give us a thumbs up and comment below. You can also help us grow by sharing the video. Now we get our tray, and you can put baking paper on it, or rub the pan with olive oil to make it non-stick. Then you arrange it to level it in, either with your hand or with spatula, whichever you prefer to use. After you have done that, then it's time to take it to the oven so that it can bake. While we are waiting for it to be cooked, we are going to make our spread or our dip. Cook for about 30 minutes in a preheated oven on low heat. Now let's do our spread or dip. As I said, I have banana and avocado, and right on the plate I already have my new favorite spice, star anise. I'm loving it recently. This spice don't just elevate flavor, supports digestion, immunity and pure culinary elegance. For the dip, I have banana for natural sweetness. Remember, we did not add sugar to our bread. And avocado, healthy fat with protein. It gives our dip the creamy texture that we crave. No need for salad cream. Mix and mix until you have the right consistency. Look at the color. Oh my god, it's making me hungry. I can't wait for the dough to be cooked. If you like eating avocado with banana, you need to try it. It is a gem for your GI. This is our flatbread, all cooked. Look at it. Wow. So I'm going to just cut some slices to enjoy my dip. The aroma of the coconut is divine. Running away from refined carb, this is an option. And to you that doesn't want to use egg as well, you are covered here. Follow us at livewellpathway. Thank you for watching.